If you have Oppo A6 Pro smartphone and you want to set your fingerprint lock in this phone, then this is the video for you. Open your settings, scroll down, select security and privacy. Scroll down and then select device unlock, select fingerprint and face unlock, and then select fingerprint. Click on agree. Now firstly you have to set a screen lock, but if you have already done this then you can skip this part, otherwise select next. You can select numeric, alphanumeric or pattern. I'm selecting pattern. Wait for 5 seconds and then click on next. Draw your pattern, confirm your pattern. Now place your thumb or finger, whatever you want to add, on the sensor like this. Now keep on tapping on the sensor so that it can completely capture your fingerprint. Adjust the edges of your thumb or finger. After this, click on done. Click on cancel. Now you can easily unlock your smartphone with the help of your fingerprint in this Oppo A6 Pro 5G smartphone.